Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's video where we will see 3 pranayama practices to improve thyroid health. The first practice is Kapalbhati Pranayama,
which is again a cleansing practice. Sit tall, keeping our back straight. Both your hands can be in Chin Mudra. As you breathe in, belly moves forward. As we breathe out, we're trying to pull our belly back towards our spine. Just do this a couple more times. Inhale, belly is forward. Exhale, back. Now, breathe in the next step. Belly moves forward. As you breathe out forcefully, pull your navel back towards your spine. Again, inhale. As you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. In Kapalbhati, we're just going to be focusing on breathing out. Breathing in happens automatically. We're going to start with 30 rounds. Inhale, forward, exhale.
Now let's do Ujjayi Pranayama.
3 key points to remember while you do the practice. Remember to inhale and exhale through your nose, focusing on the sound and sensation of your breath. Keep your breath slow, even and controlled. Third point is to keep your inhalation and exhalation of equal duration. This may not happen initially, but over a period of time with practice, you can eventually get there. Simply going to breathe in through a nose and exhale through a mouth like you're letting out a big sigh. Breath in through your nose and exhale. We're going to breathe in through our nose and breathe out through our mouth. But the only thing is, halfway during our exhalation, we're going to close our lips. So let's try that. Inhale. Once again, inhale. Now bring your awareness to the throat and also focus on constricting your throat while you do this. Inhale. Exhale halfway. We're not going to keep our mouth open. All through our inhalation and exhalation, our lips stay closed. We're going to focus on 2 things. One is constricting your throat, as well as focusing on that sound that is coming. Breath in. We are not just going to constrict our throat during our exhalation, but also during our inhalation. This may feel a little unnatural. So if you need to, just practice constricting your throat during your exhalation. Eventually, once you get comfortable, you can start doing it during your inhalation. Inhale. Constrict your throat. You can hear that sound. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
We'll see Bhramari Pranayama.
You have this little cartilage on the outside of your ear. That's the tragus. With your thumb, you're going to cover that. Like it's little flaps covering your ear. And your fingers are simply resting at the bridge of your nose. You're not pressing your eyeballs. Remember to keep this here. The tip of your tongue comes to the roof of your mouth. This is the position in which, or the mudra that you would hold to practice Bhramari. And the next thing is, we're going to chant the na sound, where our lips stays slightly open. So it's not ma, but it is na. When I say run, you're extending on the no part of it. So get into your position, get into your mudra, place the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth, hands extended to either side. Now we'll do step 3. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you breathe out, You're going to extend the ner sound all throughout your exhalation. Initially, you may just feel it more in your throat. Eventually, you're going to start feeling the vibrations in your face and throughout your head region. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you found this class valuable, please like and share. Namaste. I'll see you soon with another video.
For more detailed videos on each pranayama, I leave the link in the description below.